Welcome to the Yes or No English Podcast channel. This channel helps you learn English in a simple way through daily usage English, story practice, and shadow speaking.
Practice daily and grow your confidence in English.
Hi everyone. Today we're practicing at the bank sentences.
Ready? Let's go.
I walk to the bank.
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 I open the glass door.
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 I stand in line.
I stand in line.
I stand in line.
I stand in line.
I wait for my turn.
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 The bank is busy.
The bank is busy.
The bank is busy.
The bank is busy.
I smile at everyone.
I smile at everyone.
I smile at everyone.
I smile at everyone.
I go to the counter.
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 The clerk greets me.
The clerk greets me.
The clerk greets me.
The clerk greets me.
I say good morning.
I say good morning.
I say good morning.
I say good morning.
I give my passbook.
I give my passbook.
I give my passbook.
I give my passbook.
I fill the form.
I fill the form.
I fill the form.
I fill the form.
I write my name.
I write my name.
I write my name.
I write my name.
I sign my paper.
I sign my paper.
I sign my paper.
I sign my paper.
I count my money.
I count my money.
I count my money.
I count my money.
I deposit some money.
I deposit some money.
I deposit some money.
I deposit some money.
I take some cash.
I take some cash.
I take some cash.
I take some cash.
I check my balance.
I check my balance.
I check my balance.
I check my balance.
I keep my receipt.
I keep my receipt.
I keep my receipt.
I keep my receipt.
The clerk smiles kindly.
The clerk smiles kindly.
The clerk smiles kindly.
The clerk smiles kindly.
I say thank you.
I say thank you.
I say thank you.
I say thank you.
I put away cash.
I put away cash.
I put away cash.
I put away cash.
I zip my bag.
I zip my bag.
I zip my bag.
I zip my bag.
I leave the bank.
I leave the bank.
I leave the bank.
I leave the bank.
I walk back home.
I walk back home.
I walk back home.
I walk back home.
I feel very happy.
I feel very happy.
I feel very happy.
I feel very happy.
Wonderful. You just practiced 25 at the bank sentences.
Subscribe for a new video every day.
See you next time.